Hi friends, for all mathematics concepts, please subscribe and click bell icon here. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry. Trigonometry. Today we will learn trigonometry exercise 6.2, eighth problem. Okay. Eighth problem. We will see how to solve this. First we will write what they gave. A traveler approaches a mountain on highway. He measures the angle of elevation. He measures the angle of elevation to the peak at each milestone. At two consecutive milestones, the angles measured are 4 degrees and 8 degrees. What is the height of the peak if the distance between consecutive milestones is 1 mile. And here it is given tan 4 degrees is equals to 0.0699 and tan 8 degrees is equals to 0.1405. So this is the problem. So first what we have to do is we need to draw the diagram. Okay, first read the problem, then we have to draw the diagram. A traveler approaches a mountain on highway. So first we have to draw the highway. Let us think this is the highway. Okay, highway. Okay. He measures the angle of elevation to the peak at each milestone. At two consecutive milestones, consecutive means one after the other. At two consecutive milestones, the angles measured are 4 degrees, 8 degrees. So first we have to take the mountain. No, let us draw mountain like this. This is mountain. Okay. So yes, take one point here. Why? Because he said two consecutive milestones. No, let us take one point here. P. One more here, Q. These are the two consecutive milestones. Join like this now. to the peak of mountain, and this also. Now we said that at two consecutive milestones, the angles measured are 4 degrees, 8 degrees. So this is 4 degree and this will be 8 degrees. That's it. There is a diagram given here. And mark here PQ R S. What we have to find? What is the height of the peak? Height of the peak means this one, SR. We have to find if the distance between the two consecutive milestones is 1 mile. So between this we have 1 mile distance. Yes. Now what we have to find? We have to find the height of the peak. Height of the peak. That is nothing but, in this diagram, that is nothing but SR. SR answer we have to find out. Okay. Yes. Now take the triangle PRS. PRS. If I take this triangle, which is opposite side, SR opposite side, PR adjacent side. So apply tan ratio for that. Tan 4 degree equals to 4 degree opposite SR, adjacent PR. Tan 4 degree is given some value here, 0.0699 equals to SR. We don't know, as it is you write. PR how to write? PQ plus QR, 0.0699 equals to SR divided by PQ, 1 mile, so 1 plus QR. From that you find out the SR answer. So here just write divided by 1 and do cross multiplication. So 1 into SR equals to 0.0699 into 1 plus QR. 0.0699 into 1 plus QR, as it is you write. So SR answer we got. Now you apply, you take one more triangle. So what triangle you will take now? Okay, we will take here. We will take one more triangle. Okay, that is triangle QRS. If I take QRS triangle, what is opposite QRS? Which is opposite? SR opposite, adjacent QR. So here we will take tan 8 degrees, opposite SR, adjacent QR. Tan 8 degrees answer we know, 0.1405. SR we don't know, as it is. QR, that also we don't know, as it is you write. And here you write divided by 1. Do cross multiplication. You will get SR answer, 0.1405 into QR. This is SR answer. And take this is equation 1, equation 2. Now equation 1, equation 2, LHS is same. See, SR SR. That means RHS also same only, that means equal. So what we can write? From equation 1 and 2 we can write like this: 0.0699 1 plus QR equals to 0.1405 into QR. That means RHS sides are equal. Okay. Now multiply this 0.0699 into 1, 0.0699 plus 0.0699 into QR, 0.0699 QR equals to 0.1405 QR. QR term take right hand side. 0.0699 equals to 0.1405 R minus 0.0699 R. Take QR common here. QR, if I take common, remaining 0.1405 minus 0.0699, and here 0.0699 will be there as it is. Yes, QR into, we have to subtract this 0.1405 minus 0.0699, we have to subtract this. So if you do subtraction, the answer will be like this: 0.0706, and here 0.0699 will be there as it is. From this we can find QR answer: 0.0699 divided by 0.0706 equals to QR. Both we have to do simplification. 0.0699 divided by 0.0706. Do simplification. So QR answer we will get. QR we will get 0.99. Now this QR answer, what we have to find? So generally what we have to find? We have to find SR answer. SR answer. So QR answer, substitute here in equation 2, we will get SR answer. Okay. Yes. So therefore SR equals to 0.1405 into QR 0.99. So both if you multiply, answer will be this one, 0.1390. So if you write at 2 digits, no, after decimal point you will get like this: 0.14 mile. This is SR. SR answer is 0.14 mile. SR means what? SR means height of mountain. We got the answer. Okay. Yes. So clearly you see, one by one, step by step you see. Thank you.